Chopper's Real One here. Well, this is the start of my fishing pier cart come swap meet cart. I picked this up at the dump for $5. As you can see, it's got a handle on this end, and it's all pine. It's all stained pine. Looks like that. It's all dove jointed. The whole lot. It's all jointed. Another one this end. So I'm assuming it was just a toy box or something like that. So it'll be something I'm going to make up now. So I really don't know where it come from. I don't know much of it. All I know is it's going to get used as a pier cart, come swap meet cart. Well, what I'm going to do, I'll show you. I'll get the wheels out and I'll show you what it's going to look like in a sec. Hang on. Alrighty, guys, this is what's going to happen. These are the back wheels. This is what's going to fit on the back. This is my piece of axle. I've got to cut it down because obviously it's too wide. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it so I'll drill a hole in this to mate up with these. Now these is like there's little clip fits in there that holds the wheels and stops them from, holds the axle in, sorry, stops them from coming out. So I'll use this piece of steel and I'll shorten it to the width. I've already got a piece of board cut for the bottom because the bottom isn't, well, it is straight, but it's like it's a hollow. It's like a hollow like this. So I've got a piece of timber I've got to sand back a bit more and clean up. But that'll be the back end. And then once I get that done, I'm going to do something like this, similar to the fishing buggy with the front wheels. So it'll sit on the front of here and it'll steer without any steering gear. Alright guys, I know it's a little dark, but these are the two bikes I'm going to use. I've got a Huffy and I don't know what the hell that one is. Some little thing that somebody gave us for free. Both these bikes are free, so I can cut them up. I'll just cut the head stem off both of those two bikes, and mount them up exactly the same as the fishing buggy. So that'll make it a lot easier. I've got to make a handle for it yet. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do about that. So I want to make the handle so it comes off the back and up towards me. I have been thinking about a lawnmower handle, a push lawnmower handle, but we'll see what happens. I've got some of this stuff. I've got some silver bar there. Maybe I might be able to do something with that. Don't know yet. But anyway, we'll see how we go. Alright guys, that's the pier cart. Come swap meet buggy. I'll do a bit more work to that today. And hopefully I can get another video out soon with some few things welded together. It just depends on what the weather's doing. Because at the moment it's raining here in Australia. Well, in where I am anyway. Alright guys, bye for now.